Still struggling with power offshore? Tools dying when you need them most? Traditional pneumatic tools require compressors, manifold setups, long safety hoses, and a dedicated fire watcher. Setup takes time. More delays mean fewer jobs done and higher vessel costs. GT2 eliminates all that. No compressor, no fire watcher, just plug, power, and perform. Setup in minutes, no hoses, no fire risks. Just clean, efficient power. With GT2, you can complete almost twice the number of jobs per day. That's major savings in manpower and costly offshore vessel time. On the deck of an offshore platform, performance matters. GT2 delivers, with up to 4 hours of continuous runtime to power your critical tools. It's fully compatible with Milwaukee, Bosch, Makita, and DeWalt, keeping your crew flexible and efficient. Each unit includes a rugged tool bag with clamp harness built for mobility and quick deployment. A 5-meter power cable and universal 100 to 240 volt charger ensures you're ready anywhere. Certified to IEC 62133 and UN 38.3 standards, GT2 is trusted and field-proven, built for the challenges of offshore work. Used by professionals in offshore construction and industrial maintenance. Upgrade to GT2 today, reduce risk, save time, finish more jobs. GT2 is more than just power, it's performance you can trust, offshore and beyond. Get in touch today and power your operations with confidence.